If you're a leader, executive, or high performer, here's a mindset shift that can completely change the way you think about performance. Recovery isn't the reward for working hard. Recovery is what makes high performance possible. Many leaders believe that capacity comes from discipline, longer hours, or simply pushing through. Physiology tells us something very different. Every important decision you make, whether it's solving problems, leading a team, managing conflict, or thinking strategically, it all depends on the health of your brain and nervous system. When recovery is neglected, decision quality declines. Research consistently shows that inadequate sleep, chronic stress, and prolonged cognitive overload impair attention, executive function, emotional regulation, working memory, and judgment. In other words, when your recovery declines, your leadership capacity declines. This isn't about being lazy, it's about protecting one of your most valuable leadership assets, your ability to think clearly. One of the biggest shifts I've made personally has been moving away from asking, how much can I get done today? Instead, I ask myself, what protects my capacity so I can make better decisions tomorrow? That question has changed how I schedule my calendar, protect my sleep, establish boundaries, prioritize movement, and structure my work. Leadership isn't only about managing your organization, it's also about managing your own physiology. Recovery isn't separate from performance. Recovery creates performance. When you intentionally protect your recovery, you improve your ability to focus, regulate emotions, think strategically, and lead with greater consistency. That's executive capacity. If you're ready to better understand what's influencing your own capacity, I invite you to start with the Executive Capacity Audit. It's a practical assessment designed to help you identify the hidden factors affecting your energy, focus, stress, recovery, and decision making. And if you'd like ongoing education and practical strategies, I'd love to have you inside the Executive Longevity community. Each week, we explore evidence-based ways to increase executive capacity through recovery, awareness, and stewardship. If you're looking for a more personalized approach for yourself or your organization, you can also schedule an executive longevity strategy call with me. We'll discuss how we can build a sustainable performance framework tailored to your goals. Remember this: your greatest competitive advantage isn't working harder. It's protecting the physiological systems that allow you to think, decide, and lead at your highest level. Recovery isn't a break from leadership. Recovery is executive capacity.